In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up AOL Mail to ask before showing or displaying external images on your AOL Mail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into AOL Mail and select the settings button up at the top right. Go down and select more settings. On the left panel, select viewing email. And then in the center, you just want to scroll down underneath show images and messages and select ask before showing external images, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.